Welcome back, students. This is Ms. DeBruin. In a previous lesson, we talked about how to create a zip file. Today, we're going to talk about how to unzip or extract, also known as uncompress, a .zip file on a Windows machine. Important thing to know, first of all, is that you cannot use the files that are located inside a zip file until you uncompress them. Because they're compressed, they're somewhat unusable. And I have a lot of students that make the mistake of opening a zip archive, seeing the files in there and thinking they can use them, trying to open them, and then having error messages in their applications when they try to use them. So you got to uncompress them first. Here's how we do it. We double click the .zip archive. We select the Extract All Files button that you'll find along the top of the window. You'll browse to the destination location where you want to unzip them to, and then you click Extract. It's just as easy as that. Let's take a look at how we do it. If I come over here, you'll see I have a Windows Explorer open again, and here's that level 1.zip file that I created in a previous lesson. If I double click on it, you'll see it contains a folder and then a bunch of files inside that folder. It's quite simple. To extract it, all I need to do is click on this button right here, Extract All Files. And when I do that, another window opens that asks me to select a destination to which I want to extract the files. You can just leave the default selection in there, which is the same folder that the zip file is currently saved in. However, sometimes that's not a good idea because you can accidentally overwrite the existing files that are already in that location. So sometimes it's good to click the Browse button, go to, for example, your desktop, nice safe place to extract things, and you can see I'm now exporting to the desktop. I click Extract. It thinks for a moment, opens up the desktop folder where I can see now here's the level 1 folder that was just created from the .zip file that I just uncompressed. If I go back over here, you can see the level 1.zip file still exists. It hasn't been deleted during the unzipping process. It's still there, but it just takes all the files inside and recopies them into a new location where I can now use them. One more thing I want to point out to you is that there is another method for unzipping or extracting a .zip archive. As you can see, I've listed it here. When you find any .zip file, all you have to do is simply right-click on it and choose Extract All from the drop-down menu, and you'll have the option of extracting it immediately without having to open the .zip file first. Here is my level 1.zip file that I used earlier. As you can see, all I have to do is right-click on it and say Extract All. And again, the window will open asking me the destination where I want to unzip it to. I can browse to that location and click Extract, and it will be done. That's just a shortcut if you'd like to do it that way instead. I hope this makes it clear how you can unzip or uncompress or extract a zip file.